Each year, during the month of Kartik, Sri Prem Prayojan Prabhu brings his students to Vrindavan to guide them deeper into the path of devotion. Throughout the month, he leads us to significant sites, revealing their meaning and helping us connect with those who have inspired devotion here. Our days are always full. From early morning until late evening, meditation, lectures, kirtan, visits to important places, gatherings, and even theatrical performances. Everything is scheduled from 5 a.m., allowing each day to uncover new, previously hidden facets and feelings in our hearts. Today, we celebrate Gopashtami. Gurudev delivers a katha, sharing the significance of this festival and how, on this day, Krishna first began to tend the cows.
Yashoda, she was very concerned that her son was going out by himself into the forest. She said, "How can I tolerate that in your soft barefoot you'll be wandering around in the jungle and in the hot sun without a parasol, an umbrella?" Sri Krishna said, "Oh mother, the cows are worshipable for us."
Then, he places his hand, dipped in turmeric, on the cow, inviting us to do the same.
Ну, это древний ведический обряд, выражение благодарности корове.
And if Gomata is happy, then Krishna will be happy, Gopal will be happy.
Мы будем сейчас бананы предлагать нашим замечательным коровкам. А происходит сегодня праздник, Гопасhtami называется. Сегодня Кришна впервые пошел пасти наших маленьких коровок, телят.
We then move to the goshala to feed the cows. Today, we treat them with bananas, lettuce, and other delights. Our way of showing care and gratitude, part of the Seva tradition, where everyone seeks to bring joy to these gentle beings. After this, we head to our morning class with Bhataji, Sri Achyuta Lal Bhatta Goswami, who guides us in studying Lalita Madhava, the work of Rupa Goswami that reveals the depth of divine love. As everyone gathers for the class, we sing bhajans. Immersing ourselves in these profound songs isn't always easy. It takes focus to attune ourselves to their mood and try to grasp the meaning. But we persevere, and gradually, the music and words resonate within us.
Govinda Damodar Madhaveti Ajamir Manushi Nanda Nandanam Sumanda Gokula Sundara.
Class concludes, and we all exit the temple together to respectfully see off Bhataji. We then accompany Gurudev to his room. Some of us take the opportunity to recite a newly learned Sanskrit shloka.
By astrological calculation, it is Ramananda Rai's birthday every Gopashtami.
Today is also Ramananda's birthday, and he graciously treats us to sweets. Everyone enjoys the cookies, especially baked without eggs. After a short break, we head to lunch, nourishing ourselves for the upcoming visit to the Damodar Temple and Seva Kunj. This time we decide to walk. Usually we go with kirtan, but Vrindavan is quite dusty now, so we wear masks and simply chant japa along the way.
It's very dusty in the downtown Vrindavan, so I don't recommend singing. we'll chant japa and we'll sing when we get to the places. So you can chant japa and meditate on the places we're going to: Rupa Goswami, Samadhi, Radha Damodar, Seva Kunj and so
We've been walking for 30 minutes, focused on our japa, making our way through the crowded streets and weaving through the throngs of people.
Мы с вами в храме Sri Sri Radha Damodar.
Finally, we arrive at the temple of Sri Sri Radha Damodar. The deities are still closed, so Gurudev invites all the students to sit. He begins the kirtan, and within 5 minutes the entire temple is filled with joy, everyone singing and dancing wholeheartedly. After the darshan of the deities, Gurudev leads us to an adjacent hall where the samadhis of many saints are located. He tells us about the contributions of Srila Jiva Goswami, Srila Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami, and other great personalities who, though present in an unmanifest form, are always here.
In Bhaktivedanta, it is said that one night when Rupa Goswami was sleeping, he had the darshan of Radha Damodar, and then when he woke up, he carved the deities of Radha Damodar with his own hands and then gave them to Jiva Goswami, and that's whose darshan you just fortunately had there in the temple. Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami has given 3 amritas, nectars, by which we maintain our life. One is the life and teachings of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, Sri Chaitanya Charitamrita.
We leave this hall and, singing kirtan, head toward the samadhi of Srila Rupa Goswami.
What is that Sri Chaitanya Manobhishta?
В чем заключается это Манобхишта Шри Чайтанья Махапрабху?
That is not only to establish the Yuga Dharma of spreading the Nam Sankirtan everywhere throughout the world, because establishing Yuga Dharma is the duty of Mahavishnu. But it was under a lock and key.
Но это сокровище оставалось в сундуке под замком.
And that key Chaitanya Mahaprabhu kept with Srila Rupa Goswami.
Этот ключ от этого сундука своей сокровищницы Чайтанья Махапрабху передал Шри Рупе Госвами
In this age of Kali, then who would have been able to open the great treasure chest of the Mahanidhi, the greatest treasure of all, the Mahabhav of Srimati Radhika that was revealed by Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
After Gurudev's katha, we have a deeper appreciation for the tremendous contribution of Srila Rupa Goswami in revealing spiritual truths. Gurudev then leads us to the room opposite Rupa Goswami's Samadhi. This is where Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada lived for several years, preparing for his mission to the West. Just the thought that Bhaktivedanta Swami Prabhupada lived here not so long ago sends shivers down the spine.
Это мы пришли, написано Seva Kunj, но мы услышим об этом.
We continue to Seva Kunj, the only place in Vrindavan where Krishna serves Srimati Radharani. Unlike other sacred sites where the gopis serve Krishna, here the roles reverse. Krishna shows his care and attention to Radharani, making this place truly unique. This is how our days unfold during Kartik in Vrindavan, under the guidance of Sri Prem Prayojan Prabhu, filled with spiritual practice, visits to sacred places, and a deep immersion into devotion. Every moment, every encounter, leaves a special impression on the heart, strengthening our path and understanding of bhakti.